Aloha everybody, we've made it here to Hawaii and we have checked into the Ohia Waikīkī Suites, and I just want to show you how absolutely disgusting this place is. So let me take you on a tour. Firstly, we have this lovely stove here. As you can see, it's very old. It's got rust stains. I don't even want to open it because I don't want to know what's in there. So as you can see, it's all chipped away. It's disgusting. We've got a coffee maker. We've got the sink. We've got the sink cupboard in there. We do have a fridge, which is good. Got the cupboards here. Strangely enough, they've given us plates, but really nothing else. No pots, pans to use that stove, even if you wanted to. And as we go through here, we've got a little cupboard with an ironing board and an iron and a luggage rack. Over here we've got a chest of drawers. We've got the safe, we've got drawers there. On this side is where a fridge should go, but it's over there. We've got table, mirror, lamp, chair. Here's the bed area. And this power board works intermittently. The bed is actually too close to the power point in the wall, and every time you sit on the bed, the lamps go off and flicker on and off. Over here, we've got a bottle of water sitting beside the bed, which was here when we checked in. And as you can see, it's been there for a while because it's got all condensation in it, so that wasn't cleaned up. Here is our magnificent view. Not much of a view. There is a balcony with table and chairs out there. And coming back this way, you can see all the stains on the curtain. It's horrible. And then we come through to the bathroom. This is the real killer, this. It's a magnificent bathroom. Still light on. All the old carpet. I don't know how this bathroom is fit for human consumption. I really don't. You can see that there. They do provide you with a hairdryer. But just look at the walls. It's terrible. It's terrible. And this shower toilet area is just disgusting. I mean, just look at all that. Yuck. But they try to cover it up with a little bit of artwork. This place definitely needs knocking down and starting again. Open up to the shower. And we've got the tiles all peeling off. So it is really bad. So please people, do yourself a favour, don't stay here. Whilst it's mostly negatives, a couple of good things about the place, a couple of positives is the Wi-Fi speed is very good and it's in a good location. So they're probably about the only positives about the place.
Fridge works.
So, yeah. But my advice is, if you're looking at this place, just don't.